Alright, so in this video we're going to replace the mirror on this 2017 Nissan Rogue. If you tuned in to the last video, we replaced the turn signal and I had bought a cover for this right here. But there's an aftermarket piece, or there's a part that goes right here that I could not find anywhere. So it must be a dealer only option or something. And the only way I could find it was to buy another mirror. Yes, I could have bought a cheaper mirror. Get this piece of plastic right here. And I could even snap that piece of plastic off and snap that cover on there and not even worry about it. But since I ordered the whole mirror, I'm going to go ahead and change the whole thing. So we're going to roll the intro and get started. I started by removing this. I pried it out and popped it loose with this little pry bar right here. And pulled it up and out. It kind of falls down in, it kind of locks into place around the door handle there and there. Kind of pops into place, kind of pops in around the door frame there. Hopefully I can squeeze it back into place like it goes without having to remove the whole door panel, because I don't want to have to remove the whole door panel just to change the mirror. Seeing how it's only one little electrical connection right there, as you can see, and 3 bolts. So I'm gonna go over here and get some tools. I think it's probably gonna be a 10mm. I'll get back and show you whenever I get that part took care of. Alright, so these bolts are 10mm. I mean, just to pull the door panel apart and unplug it right there for that wire connector. So I can get my hand down in there and clip the other one in. I'm gonna take 3 10mm and remove this mirror. And I'm gonna put that back in that box after I get this mirror off. I'm gonna save the parts and save the other mirror in case I ever need parts. Cause that was like a $100 mirror. But it's still cheaper than filing an insurance claim to get it replaced. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue on. I'll show you when I get the bolts removed. I've removed 2 of the 3 bolts here. I've got the other one loose. I can loosen it up with my fingers. After this, all I gotta do is just grab a hold of the mirror and pull it out of the body. I used some of my plastic pry bars that I picked up from Amazon to get this off. I'm gonna jump off here for just a second, pull this mirror off, and we'll get ready to set the other mirror back on. With that, I removed the mirror, and your 3 bolts go right there. They're all 10mm. And your plug-in is right there that plugs into the mirror. Now, they had one that had a camera on it. I don't know what that was for. It's probably a blind spot detection thing, but my Rogue doesn't have it. But if yours does, make sure that you get that one or you buy an aftermarket mirror. I'm sure it's for a little bit fancier of a model, but we got like more of a base model Rogue. So I'm gonna put the other mirror on, clip this clip in, then I'll bolt it up, and I'll snap this plastic panel back in place, and this job will be done. This is kind of like a part 2 of what I did though, that y'all will be watching the day after Christmas, and this video will come out right around New Year's. So we'll get that mirror on there. Right now, I've clipped the little wire clip in there, and I'm gonna bolt up my bolts. And I'll continue back after I get the bolts started back in it. With the mirror bolted up, all I'm gonna do is pop that plastic trim back down in there, snap this door panel back in place, and the job is done. And again, thanks for watching. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. And with everything snapped back into place, job is done. And again, thanks for watching.